Welcome to the Branding Irons Unlimited product tutorial for creating a light or heavy-duty branding iron on brandingirons.com. In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize a branding tool using our product form and live preview, as well as tips for how to adjust your design and configured branding iron. Start by selecting an approximate size for your finished branded mark from the first drop-down on the product page. Once you have selected a size, the main product image will change to show the selected area of the branding head. If you want your branded mark to be produced smaller than the size selected, enter your size in the field which appears, and then select if you are noting a size smaller in height or in width. Next, select any of the options for the type of content you would like included on your brand. You can upload a logo, add clip art, and/or enter text. These options can be used together or mixed and matched as you would like to create a truly custom design. If uploading a logo, click the Upload a Logo option, and then click the button that reads Click here to upload your artwork. Select your JPEG or PNG artwork file to have it upload the artwork to the live preview. The file you upload will automatically maximize to fit the size you had initially selected. Artwork should be black, as any white areas in the image will be removed. Use a high-resolution logo for best results. On the live preview, you can then make adjustments to the position, scale, and rotation of the uploaded artwork to place it where you would like it to be located on the brand. To adjust the position, click to select the logo or element, and then drag to move its position. To adjust the scale of the artwork or element, click and drag the corner adjustment circles to alter the proportional scale. Note that if you would like to stretch the artwork or selected element to maximize the space better, you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then click and drag the corner adjustment circles to disproportionately scale the artwork as desired. To adjust the rotation of an element, click the middle rotation circle that is above the logo or element and then drag the mouse to the left or right to alter the rotation. If you would like to add clip art to your brand, select the option to add clip art near the top of the form after choosing a size, and then pick a library to select from. You can then click the thumbnail of the clip art you would like to add, and it will be loaded onto the live preview. The clip art will automatically be placed at maximum size on the selected size of the branding head, but can be adjusted for position, scale, and rotation, just like the logo option. You can add as many clip art elements as you would like, and can even select clip art from multiple categories. Please note that the clip art provided is intended for use at sizes of at least 1 inch, and some small white details may not be able to be produced at very small scaling. If we have any questions or concerns regarding the design you have created or the logo you provide, we will contact you to suggest alterations and will advise if any additional artwork charges would be required. If adding custom text to your brand design, select the option to add text, and text entry fields will then be shown further down the form. Enter the text you would like to be produced. Once your text has been entered, be sure to adjust the text on the live preview to your liking and to avoid overlapping with an uploaded logo or any selected clip art. Text can be adjusted the same way that uploaded artwork and clip art can be, by clicking the text and then dragging it to adjust position, or by then clicking the adjustment circles to modify the scale or rotation. Avoid very small text sizes to ensure legibility in the finished branded mark. The desired font can also be selected by choosing a particular font from the Select a Font drop-down menu below the text entry fields. If you previously made position and size adjustments, be sure to review how the selected font affects those changes, as you may need to make adjustments to accommodate the default scaling of different font choices. Please note that if you change sizes after you have made customizations to the live preview, You would then need to readjust any elements again, as each size's preview is handled independently. Changing back to the previously customized size will retain the customizations you had previously made. Below the content options is an alignment grid checkbox, which, when toggled on, will show a red grid on the preview for assistance aligning elements with one another. The alignment grid will not be included in the artwork submitted, even if it is left on. After the design of the brand has been configured, next select the types of material you intend on marking. After confirming the materials to be marked, choose if you would like the branding head beveled. The tooltip on the bevel dropdown shows a picture of the difference between a beveled versus a non-beveled head. By adding a bevel, we pull the negative space on the brand back further, which decreases the chance of getting stray background marks from the back of the heated brass die. We highly recommend adding a bevel when marking soft materials such as leather or fabric, as well as plastic or rubber. Next, select an engraving depth. Our included engraving depth is 3/32 of an inch, though deeper engraving can be selected for additional cost. After selecting the engraving depth, select where the branding iron will be used. This option is used to determine the types of heating tools that will be compatible with the selected size of brand. Selecting United States or Canada will show 110 volt tools compatible with the voltage in North America and with standard AB type sockets. The option for adding a fire heated handle for manual heating with a propane torch is also an option. Most heavy-duty branding irons will also have a choice for a propane burner that can be connected directly to a standard propane tank. Selecting international will show the options for 230 to 240 volt tools and will allow for a plug selection and country confirmation if selecting the electrical tool. If you select an electrical tool, the option for adding a temperature control unit will then also be shown. Electric heating tools are not adjustable on their own and will only heat to maximum intensity when plugged directly into the wall. By adding a temperature control unit, you will be able to plug the iron into it and then have a dial adjustment, 1 through 10, to control the approximate level of electricity passed to the tool and the related level of heat that the iron will then output. An electrical tool, when combined with a temperature control unit, allows for the greatest amount of versatility and repeatability of your finished branded mark. By setting the temperature control unit to a value less than 10, you may also prolong the lifespan of the electrical tool. Next, select if you would like a set of 2 brass brushes to be included with the branding iron so you can easily clean any debris from the heated head in between markings. This is especially recommended if you are marking plastic and or rubber, as these materials can melt and may stick to the surface of the brand. Even if marking only wood or leather, it is a good practice to periodically brush the surface of the brand to ensure that excess carbon doesn't build up on the branding head, which can affect the transfer of heat into your intended material. Most sizes of branding head will also allow for a cedar box to be added to the order for storage when not in use. These cedar boxes also create an excellent presentation if gifting the brand to friends and loved ones. Finally, the last option to choose is the production speed of the customized brand. Our standard production speed is approximately 5 business days, which starts the following business day after an order has been placed. We also offer a rush service 3 business day and super rush 2 business day production speed for our online orders if you need it produced quicker. Please note that the production speed is separate from the shipping speed as it takes time to custom mill your brand in solid brass. The shipping speed for your order can be selected during checkout. All of our brass branding irons are produced in the United States at our facility in Los Angeles, California. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please find our contact form linked in the video description below, or use the red chat icon on our website, which is located on the right-hand side of the browser window if using desktop, or on the lower left-hand corner if you are on a mobile device. Our chat is available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.